Hello friends, my name is Arain. I made a crane in Robofun Lab in Ahmedabad. And it has hooks, a man, and it has wheels and lots of things. And I will show you how it works. When I make this come like this, it moves, and when I take this, I will put इसमें अपना कैमरा it drop down, it hooks here. And it moves around. When I put this, it goes up. Bye.